Hi! Irasaimasu! Welcome to High Tokyo!
Nano, Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, a foreign Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we were invited by this newly opened Japanese restaurant dito po sa Angeles City, and we're gonna give you a hint kung ano po yung mga sinaserve nila dito. Grabe.
And syempre, papakita namin yung place.
Exactly. So guys, if you want to experience, Japanese cuisine dito po sa Angeles City, another option for you to check out, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
Hi! Irasaimasu! Welcome to High Tokyo!
Alright, so this is it guys. This is the place. Ayan, if you notice, again, very Japanese yung theme natin dito. I think every inch of the place is parang yun nga, related to a Japanese accent, no? So, pansin nyo guys, dito sa center floor natin, merong aquarium sa sa flooring, no? And far there on a occasion, so meron po silang mga band dito like acoustic. And then kung gusto mo namang magkanta-kanta, ayan, meron po silang video okay dito. Yun, so this is our table. Mark, are you excited?
So excited ako to taste, syempre, mga Japanese dishes nila. So syempre, alam naman natin, pag Japanese, so fresh.
Yes, and I've heard na meron sila ditong expert chef sa mga Japanese cuisine. So we're gonna interview him later on as well. Kain muna tayo.
Yes.
Good afternoon. I am Chef Edwin, and I have a vast experience of the Japanese food for 34 years here and abroad. Of course, we have here a mix here, but we have a la carte. This is a salmon, fresh salmon, and this one is the unagi. It's a eel, and this one is hamachi. Hamachi is a yellow tail fish, but it is not available here in the Philippines. I think it's only available in Japan. So this is an imported one and kind of expensive. This is a Tataki Tuna. It's cooked in the outside, but raw in the inside. And of course, this is tuna. Everybody knows that this is tuna. And this one is I make just a flour. It's made of squid. And of course, this one is the shrimp that we have. And this one is tamago. Tamago is a Japanese omelet. I think this is a akagai and an arc shell. It's also from Japan. Imported, kind of expensive. Yes, it's very expensive. I think this is the expensive, more expensive of all this kind. This one is the volcano. We made it a volcano. It's kind of a volcano when you eat. It's a kind of spicy, with some bit of crackling. And this one is tuna, salmon, shrimp, and this one is a Philadelphia maki. It's made of salmon with spring onion and cream cheese on the inside. And of course, everybody knows the California maki, the first fusion of Japanese cuisine.
Yes.
And this one is the unagi.
Chicken teppanyaki.
Chicken teppanyaki.
Alright, so yun guys, the dishes started to come in. So if you notice on our table, meron tayo parang dalawang bangka dito, no?
So, mixed sashimi and mixed sushi.
Exactly.
So at the same time, meron din tayo dito mga chicken teppanyaki, meron tayo ditong ebi foray, and yung kanilang
Tempura, of course.
This is our chicken teriyaki.
Chicken
Teriyaki.
teriyaki, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start eating na guys, because this got me really hungry. Ang bango nila guys. So it is our pleasure to taste this one. Sabi nung chef natin kanina, yung mga ibang
mga
sashimi natin dito are rare to find. At the same time, they are really expensive. So yun guys, I wanna start with their miso soup, of course, to start everything up. Miso soup, wow, naman.
Actually, ito yung pinaka, kumbaga, traditional soup
Yeah,
ng
I
mga
think so.
Japanese.
I think so. Okay. So yun, it has tofu. Napaka-staple nito sa mga Japanese dishes din, no? Even sa mga soup. Right, so for their plated dishes naman, I'm gonna try this chicken teriyaki.
Sa akin naman yung kanilang chicken teppanyaki.
Wow. By the way, so if you're interested to order and delivery naman sa mga available sa Let's Be Delivery, and at the same time, meron silang in-house delivery din.
Yes. You could check their Facebook fan page for more details. Yan.
Wow. It explodes. Sarap, grabe.
So this is their sushi here. So fresh. At the same time, ito yung mga maghihikayat sa'yo na kumain pa ng marami.
Kasho ramen.
Kasho, okay.
This is our seafood ramen.
Seafood. So another dishes came in. Isa sa mga hinahanap-hanap din nating mga Japanese dishes is yung kanilang mga ramen. So right now they have, I think, 4 flavors, no?
Yes.
So they're gonna add more.
So as of now, meron tayo ditong seafood ramen and kasho ramen. Yan.
Kaya naman guys is pork-based ramen.
Seafood na seafood.
Table natin how it looks like. Look at that.
Yeah.
Up until the end. So ayun. So we're gonna eat regularly.
Yes.
Titikman na natin sila guys. So again, if you're interested to check this out or know more about this restaurant, we're gonna be providing the fan page po dun sa caption natin. And yeah, enjoy this new Japanese restaurant dito sa Angeles City. So ayun guys, as mentioned nung chef natin kanina, dito sa High Tokyo Japanese restaurant, makikita mo yung mga rare to find na mga fresh fish, at the same time yung mga sashimi ganito.
Siyempre, available din dito yung mga Philadelphia Maki natin. So, just like this one. So, meron silang mga different kinds of platters. So, meron silang pang party platters. Kung gusto niya naman ng mga single flavors lang, so they have a la carte also.
Yun, so let's talk about some dining details dito guys. So they open 11 a.m. in the morning and then they close 12 in the midnight, Monday to Sunday. The location natin is very near siya dun sa Angeles Porac intersection.
Yes.
So
Or pinakamadaling landmark is nasa baba lang po siya ng Grill-Up.
Grill-Up Resto. There you go. So isa nga sa mga rare to find na mga Japanese dishes dito sa Pampanga or even the Philippines is yung kanilang mga eel. This is a eel. Ayan. That's it. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. We're gonna enjoy this until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye guys.